here before, and now you're knocking at my door, and I don't think I hold myself back anymore, anymore. Your potion has got me in over my head. I'm not gonna go with anyone else. If I can't resist you, I'll end up dead. Oh, I'm not gonna go with anyone else.
I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting everyone know I'm down. I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting everyone know I'm down. 1, 2, 3, go. I am no CEO. I'm not professional. I'm no bright Edison. Don't know a thing about modern medicine. I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting everyone know I'm down. I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting
Good enough.
everyone know I'm down.
Let's go.
I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting everyone know I'm down. I'm always letting everyone down. I'm always letting everyone down.
That worked so much better than I thought it was going to.
I'm living in the West End with no TV. Put my pen at me, what you got? Pull it out like a glass of wine. I'd say you could come over, but I don't wanna fuck all the time. Nikki, baby, won't you settle down? I'm only out for the week. Don't you wanna just settle down in a house full of me? Nikki, baby, won't you settle down? I'm only out for the week. Don't you wanna just settle down with me? Waking up with the taste of last night, I was just fine. Then you made me walk back home. Put the cat in, I just wanted to tell you that you spent our next month's rent. Making love to the sound of your voice wasn't my choice, but I don't wanna be alone with my problems. I hoped you would have bailed me out. Now my money is spent. So strange. Nikki, baby, won't you settle down? I'm only out for the week.
Probably should have drilled these holes before I made it round, but